Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make roasted cauliflower recipe. This is again a simple recipe. We hardly need around 6 to 7 ingredients to make this recipe. So after we marinate, we can keep it in the oven for 30-40 minutes and we can sit and relax, and our yummy roasted cauliflower recipe will be ready in no time. Come on, let's get started. First, to blanch cauliflower, let's boil some water. Add generous amount of salt, and now to this I'm going to add cauliflower florets and let this blanch on high flame for just 1 minute. It's been a minute now. Let's take this out of the water. Now I'm going to preheat my oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. To this I'm going to add a teaspoon of oil, salt as required, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of peri masala, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon honey, a pinch of grated nutmeg, and juice of 1 lemon. Mix all these well. I have placed a baking sheet on a baking tray, and now let's line them up.
It sound right, boy.
Now I'm going to cook this in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. It's been exactly 30 minutes. Look at this. It has developed a beautiful golden brown color. It's evenly roasted on all sides. If you want, you can also flip it in between. Now I'm going to serve it in a plate.
It sound right, boy.
It's time to taste.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
It's so spicy. It's roasted perfectly, so it's still crunchy. It's not overcooked. Perfect for a starter. I'm in love with this. So there's a burst of flavors when we eat this. Sweetness from the honey, sourness from the lemon juice that we have added, and the spiciness from the peri masala and also the chili powder. This is definitely a try-worthy recipe. So do share your valuable feedback in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.